Save the time. I can dance home. I want two step. Y'all looking at something like a true girl. A girl told me that a man that can dance might could possibly get down with the tool in his hand. Now, my ladies, let me see it vibrate. And when it's over, you ain't gonna need your vibrate. Cause I'm a pro, make you bend your back low, then the pound of real bad, just like the percolate. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby.
Oh, fuck, stupid song. Oh, fuck. Just trying to hit 90 degrees. My rehab protocol. Rehab protocol says be at 90 degrees by week 6, which is next week. People, don't fuck your knee up. This hurts. You can see, I'm kind of almost there at 90, hopefully. I really don't know, I can't tell. I'm just going off of the stretch of my knee. There's a couple things I gotta do for PT. This is one of them. Oh, bitch, this hurts. But another one is I gotta move my kneecap around to prevent fucking scar tissue and swelling and shit. I also gotta clench my quad, basically flex my quad, because that hasn't woken up yet from the nerve block that they give you to numb your leg and everything. Well, it's a miracle, or not a miracle, but while it's awesome that they can numb my whole fucking leg, I wish I could clench my quad more. I'm trying to. Supposed to hold this for 10 seconds a piece. Oh man. I'm using some fucking Finding Nemo book that my son never reads to help me slide my foot, because it makes it easier to move. It's not about the resistance of the foot dragging, it's about just getting the knee into a position or to a 90-degree angle. So, hoping the more I do this, like weightlifting, you know, the harder it is, the more you get from it, in the sense that, you know, you do it enough, eventually your body will acclimate to that pain and make you stronger. You know? So, hopefully, every time I go to do this, I get a little closer to 90 degrees. So, maybe by next Wednesday, I'll be at 90 degrees, if not more. Then Thursday, when I go to the ortho, I'll be able to actually get a bend in my knee. So, who knows? We'll see. And bending the knee, I mean with the brace, because right now it's set straight at 180 degrees. So, Nikes. Whew, okay. I'll need some ice after this.